Good morning. This is Anka Metcalf with TradeOutLoud.com. Welcome to my pre-market game plan for the major future indices, gold and oil for today. And today is Tuesday, August 22nd, 9:03 a.m. Eastern Time. So let's begin with the mini Dow. We're starting the note. We're starting the day on a positive note, and we have the mini Dow that is up 57 points on the day, followed by Nasdaq, which is up 27 points, and S&P 500, which is up 5.75 points. So let's take a look at the technical patterns. Mini Dow hitting resistance in the overnight trading session, flurrying at 3 o'clock Eastern Time all the way to 21,775 area, 76, challenging this prior high right here that was set in the New York trading session on Friday. We do have a turnaround pullback into a minor support area, finding support. The 20 MA cradling the price right here, sending the price back up into this resistance zone, 21,557, stabilizing here. So this is going to be the decision point. If we break above this area, I would say the 60 to 70 area, this is going to be the cushion of resistance. So about 10 to 15 points challenge area. So if we break above this whole entire area, we have room to continue higher into the 21,800. These are the target areas. The second target that we will be looking at is going to be the 21,829. The third target is going to be 21,850 area, and it has room to run into this 200 period moving average. And obviously, this is going to be a little bit of a challenge here. You're going to see some profit taking around this area, and then we may continue higher all the way tradable void into 21,975. So is this going to be the case? We don't know. All we know is that this pullback is quite bullish at this point, and this might set the stage for a further continuation higher. Keep in mind, there are not a lot of economic releases that can fuel this move to the upside. On a daily pattern, it looks really good because we have pivoted here at 21,600, and we're trading above this prior high, which means that we have escaped from that from the inside bar that we have been trading in. So this, you can see the top right here. This is from Friday. As long as we trade above this area, the 21,780, yeah, we do have room to continue higher. But take a look here to the left-hand side of the chart. The area in which we're trading right now, you can see it right here. You can see the price bubble, and you can see this top right here where I'm holding my cursor. To the left-hand side, we have a really hefty support area that is creating a lot of resistance for price moving further. So that's the reason why we're getting a pullback. And all in all, we're trying to digest this area right here. It's the 75 area. So if we break above this area, yep, tradable void all the way into clear void, 21,870 area, and even more, going again to challenge these prior highs. All right, so let's move back and let's take a look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is a little sluggish on the day. Excuse me. It's only up 0.25%. But technical pattern suggests that it does have room to continue higher a little bit. We're challenging these highs right now, so we're hitting resistance. We actually hit resistance in the overnight trading session, establishing support 24.29 and resistance right now 24.3750. If we break above this area, but we need to see this area cleared, because so far we haven't been here at actually 7 o'clock in the morning when we have triggered this buy off the hourly chart. That propelled the price a little higher. Not by much, but it did. So we're waiting for this decision area right here, because if we're going to get a rotation into resistance, we're going to revisit these prior lows at 24.30 area. But what we want is the price to hold solid, the price to hold really firm into this 24.3070 area, for it to break out and continue higher all the way, possible tradable void, all the way into the 24.47 area. Also, if we break below this low, the 24.29, that's the period when I will get bearish on the technical chart, and I will look for a correction back into the 2424 area, back into the 2420 area. All right, so let's take a look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq, the strongest on the day, leading with 0.47% to the upside, 27 points up right now. Chart pattern wise, very similar, and as you can see, hitting resistance, 58.29, setting support for the overnight trading session and a minor support area at 58.03, and same area into Friday's highs. So here's the story for today. If we break above 58.29, we have room to continue higher. And we have a tradable void all the way into the 58.50-ish area. 58.50, 58.53, 58.56. This is going to be the target area. Keep in mind that if we get that break above this 58.25 area, 58.30 area, so we have a 5-point range right here that we're dealing with, we're going to run into some kind of resistance right here at 58.35. We have a congestion area that happened on Thursday, and we have a prior high from Friday. So this is going to be the area where price will need to digest. The fact that the price is trading at these highs right now is just a good sign that it's trying to digest this resistance right here, this whole cluster right here. So it would be good. We will watch obviously smaller time frames and for a good risk to reward ratio. But from what we can see right now is that Nasdaq is pretty much stabilizing. Nasdaq has had setups developed with really high risk, more than 12-15, even 20-point risk on very small time frames. And right now it's trying to stabilize. So right now it's trying to establish this risk ranges that are slightly smaller into the 7 to 10 points. So this is a good sign for Nasdaq moving forward. All right, let's take a look at GC, and this is gold. That gold is negative on the day. It's down 4.5 points, and it's down 0.35% on the day. We have a triple bottom right here. Triple bottom overnight trading session, 1288 for support, bouncing off this 1290 area right here. It is trading into this cluster, so this is going to be in a larger context. Sorry, in a larger context. As you can see, we need to clear this whole area. Pullback's viable nonetheless, and 1290 is going to be seen as a huge area of a huge area of support. We have the 200-period moving average, and we do have these clusters of support right here that we have been pivoting on Friday, 1286. We have been pivoting in the overnight trading session on Sunday, 1286 once again. And we're establishing a slightly higher low right here, 1288, which is a good sign for the price continuation higher. So if we stabilize in this area, we can see the price into the 1295 and back into the 1300 area. If we break below this whole entire area and price weakens out under 1290, and that's the cushion between 1290 and 1286, any break below 1286 will be seen as bearish with a possible continuation lower into the 1280. Remember, the 1280 was a huge resistance area. Now it becomes support area, and back into these lows right here into the 1275. All right, let's take a look at oil, and keep in mind we have oil numbers today at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. They are the all right, so we have support right here in oil, 47.23 to start off the day. We're barely negative, negative on the day, 0.15 and 0.29% on the day. So we do have a crossover right here at $48 that happened, and we're having the price hitting this 200 MA and going back down. We're hitting support right here. So this is going to be a very, very tough trading. When we look at the daily chart, we're still trading within yesterday's range. As long as we're trading within yesterday's range, trading will become a little choppy. If we manage to break below 47.25 area, we have room to continue lower back into the 47. Not a lot of continuation. I really don't like the pattern in oil the way it is setting up right now for possible day trades. Also, one of the things that I'm noticing on the chart is that this $47.40, where the area where it is trading right now, is trading on a lot of support created by these prior highs on the daily chart from back in July. So we're looking a little bullish as of this point. Possible reversal, not very bullish, but we're looking for a possible reversal. If we hold this area, if we hold 47 to 47.40, we might bounce from this area. All right, last but not least, let's go to the hourly chart and let's visit bonds and see what the bonds, how the bonds are shaping up for the day. Down 0.2% on the day, still ranging, and this has been the issue since last Thursday. So support area, overall support area 155.15. We're having a slightly higher low right here, 155.19. But the issue is that we need to trade above 156.12. Obviously 156 is going to be the big area right here, possible continuation. So a breakout over 156.56 can take the price higher into 156.07 and perhaps 156.12. The issue here is the risk, because if we're looking at a trade to for a long over 155.30 or 156, we're going to have to establish a stop below this whole entire area of 155.15 to make sure that we're not going to be flurried out of the trade. And then therefore the risk is really asymmetric compared to the win here, to the reward of 156.07. So I'm going to wait it out on bonds. All right, thanks so much for tuning in. Keep in mind that we have a new class that will start this Monday on August 28th. The class is a 6-day power income day trading class from August 28th until September 1st. And then we have a trading lab set for September 5th where we put everything together. If you want more information on the class, you can visit our website. It is tradeoutloud.com/futures. And if you're interested in our future signal service, you could definitely go to our website and learn more about it. Thanks so much for tuning in. And for more trade ideas and trades, follow us on our private Twitter feed. Thank you and have a great profitable trading day.